Hi, Janine Herzig here with some updates on the workshops for MetPlant 2026. I'm very pleased to confirm that we have 5 workshops to date. So firstly, we have a one-day Met Accounting course, which is a launch of a new course by JK Tech. We also have another new workshop being launched, which is a tailings workshop by Seek International. We have another launch, which is MetCelerate, and that is a 1.5-day introduction to metallurgy for non-metallurgists or students or graduates. Very excited about that one. We also have a 2-day workshop on geometallurgy, also by JK Tech. And then finally, we have an ISR, or in situ recovery, 1-day workshop by Rondemont. So we're super excited about these 5 workshops. They are all different, so be assured that you won't miss out on anything. There'll be a little bit of crossover on the days. Some are before, some are after. And importantly, we will be having student rates and also rates for bulk bookings. So keep an eye on the website. They will be up very, very soon and available for registration. See you in March.